What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and in this video today, we're going to be revisiting the SAVALETOR case after about 3 full weeks of usage. Now, if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get right to it. All right, you guys, so where do I even start with this case? I want to say the first place I want to start with this case is that you guys know that this case is only $13.99 on Amazon. So if what I'm about to talk about with this case, $13 don't appeal to you, then man, I don't know what to tell you. But first and foremost, this case, it was a couple things I actually missed in the original unboxing, man. But I'll make sure I throw a card on the screen in case you guys want to go back and take a look at that video. But this case, it is MagSafe compatible. It does have the circle on the inside. But one of the biggest things that I actually missed, well, two of the biggest things that I didn't even really say when I was doing the actual unboxing is the fact that this case is fingerprint and scratch resistant. When I tell you this case is fingerprint and scratch resistant, I'm not lying. I've dropped this case and I have, tried to scuff it up. And I do have, sometimes I have sweaty palms, and my kids, one of my sons, he does have sweaty palms, and I might let him use my phone to play a game or something. And when I get it back, it's not sweaty at all. I mean, the case is great. And another thing that I actually like about the case too is that if you look at the actual camera cutout on this case, typically when you get a case for the iPhone 12, they give you like the 12 Pro because they both are the actual same size. So you can put the 12 inside of a Pro case and everything works perfectly. But in this case, the cutouts for the camera is perfect and square and right on. And it is not a camera cutout for the 12 Pro. This is the actual cutout for the 12, Another thing I love about this case is the actual screen protector that it came with. Now, in my initial unboxing, I messed up the screen protector, so I had to use the second one. So this is the one that's currently still on it. And this screen protector here is doing pretty well. No issues with it, no bubbling up or nothing like that. I do try to keep it wiped off from time to time, but one of the biggest things I like about the case and the screen protector is the fact that I have dropped this phone since I've had it in this case for the past 3 weeks and maybe a few days. I have dropped this phone twice, and both times I've dropped it out of my lap, getting out of my truck. So about waist high, and I, dropped it, and I was like, you know what? Oh my God, I think I done messed up, my phone or the case, or scuffed up the case or something. Each time it fell on this corner here and kind of like did a little tumble, and the screen protector had no scratches or anything like that. And I had no issues with the corners on this corner here. No scuffs, no scratches or anything after about 3 good weeks. And yeah, overall, guys, I don't want to keep y'all long because this is just a follow-up video. So you guys know I try to get in and out as quick as possible, but try to hit you guys with all the pertinent information. But this case right here, if I had to, do it all over again, I would buy this case. Now, I know that they actually sent this case to me when I first did the initial unboxing. But if I had to do it all over again, which I'm probably going to buy one of these cases because I'm not sure if I'm going to get the iPhone 13. I may not, but my wife may. And if she do get the 13, I'm going to make sure I buy one of these cases for her because this case and this screen protector for $13.99, man, it is an absolute steal, man. Like, I cannot believe that this case is fingerprint scratch resistant, MagSafe compatible, and it's only $13.99, and it comes with 2 extra screen protectors, man. That is crazy. But it does come in black, blue, and I think like black, blue, or black and purple and green, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And another thing about this case that was a little bit amazing to me as well is right here in the back. It was another thing I actually missed in the initial unboxing, but right here in the back, if you can hear that, it has like it says an imported AG glass with some type of explosion proof film or something like that. I'm not 100% sure about that, but that's what it kind of said on the actual site. But I do know that there's something hard right here in the back of this case because it doesn't bend. So this is not a case that you can actually bend. So yeah, I'm 100% on board with this case. And on top of that, you get a little bit of a lip protection right here. So, if you put it down face down, everything is fine. And if you turn it on the back and lay it that way, your camera is recessed enough so that it doesn't get any scratches and things like that. But, don't want to hold you guys past 5 to 10 minutes on this video. But that was just my quick, 3-week full impression of this case. Do I recommend this case? I 100% do recommend this case based off of everything that I have experienced with this case thus far. If you guys do want me to come back in another video at a later time and show you guys how it's holding up, because this case is going to be on my phone at least for the next couple of months. I do have a couple of other cases that you guys did see that I do need to go back and try and test. But as of right now, this case has been the case that has been on since the day that I unboxed it. And I think it was about 3 weeks and some change when I actually unboxed that. But anyway, this was just my quick, full impressions, full review of this SAVALETOR case. I highly do recommend it. I'll make sure I throw a link up in the description because this is one that I highly recommend. It's been your man, Jay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.